Good morning, everyone. See how dark it is at this hour. It's only 5:30 in the morning here in the UK, and it's Tuesday. So I'm just heading to go to the shop nearby. I'm looking around if they're open because there's one opens at 6. But look at this. This is my neighborhood on a daylight like this. On an early morning. You can't see anything. See? It's pitch black. And it's so dark and there's nothing around. It's just the sound of my voice blogging this very early morning. Oh. The sun is not even rising yet. Look at that. It's dark because it's only literally 5:45 in the morning here in England, and it's so dark. I'm already out getting a very short walk, exercise and all I can see is a lamppost. That's basically the light in my road, and it's reflecting what I'm doing this vlog this morning. Look at that. Sun is not up yet, and I'm actually feeling the chill cold of the wind just slightly touching my skin. And look, I'm walking around in a dark corner. Spooky. I hope there's no one in there. But look, it's pitch black. It's so dark because it's so early right now. But I thought Tuesday, so I'll have to make a vlog for my channel. And here I am, out and about, and I'm passing in a very small alleyway. You can't see. Look, now the light is getting better this corner, so it's just the security light you can see, and all I can hear are the birds chirping and the sound of the wind. So I'm passing by the houses around. This is in my road, so I'm just checking in here. So come join me. That's the private clinic. God, look at this. It's scary. So I'm just opening the door keys to get something. It's an early morning, and you're here with me, and thank you for keeping me company at this hour. So I'm just about in opposite daisies. Look at that, how dark it is. So, and the light is off. Basically you're not seeing anything because it's just so early morning. Let's walk farther. Oh, there's a security light. See, I'm on a small footpath, and a security light again as I pass by. Look. Oh my god, it's like being in a Harry Potter film in a diagonally. There's already so many cars, but the village is actually, oh, it's so quiet this early. It's not even 6 o'clock. Look at that. You only see the lamppost and all. There's nothing much to see, but I'll take you around so you can have an early glimpse with the bloggers daily diary. What am I doing? I'm just enjoying, not enjoying, but an early morning that everyone is sleeping at. But it's just nice to get out at this hour to get fresh air. It's very cold air because it's winter. Oh, the shop is open that side. Wonder if it's a little bit blurry. There you go. There's only two shops that are open. It's the corner paper shop and a small grocery store in there. So they open at 6. So obviously that's open already. And voila, you're with the blogger this very early morning. And I'd like to say good morning to each and every one of you, and thank you so much for staying with me, and hope you have a great day. Happy Tuesday morning, everyone.